All right, so here we're going to divide throughout by 3 over 4. Even here, 3 over a 4. Here, 3 over a 4. So this is what we're doing, and that's our first step. So when we divide like this, we shall have something like this. 3 over a 4 times 4 over a 3. Then x power 2 here, minus 1 over 3 times 4 over a 3 minus a 4 over a 3, which is equal to 0. So in case you don't know what is happening, when dividing a fraction, this will flip, okay? The rules of division. This will flip, it will look like this, and it will be multiplied by this. The same, so this will flip, multiplied by this, and it will look like this. Even here, it will flip, multiplied by this. This is how it will look like. So a 4 and a 4 will cancel out. 3 and a 3 will go. We shall remain with x power 2 minus, here it will be a 4 over 9x. Actually, there's supposed to be x here. Minus a 4 over a 3. So this is the first step. In other ways, you can say you need to make the coefficient here to be equal to 1. So whatever is here, divide it throughout. So you saw what was here, it was a 3 over 4. You divided by that here, and even here, and also here. So we should remain with a 1 here before completing the square method. Therefore, our new quadratic equation will look like this. That's x power 2. I hope you're able to see. Minus 4 over 9x minus 4 over a 3 is equal to 0. So I've just copied this, and this is our new equation. So now, from this, you get whichever number is right here. So that is a negative 4 over 9. So this negative 4 over 9, you divide it by 2. It will be negative 2 over 9. Okay? So after dividing the b term here, whichever coefficient is here by 2, you shall get this, and then you square it. So it will be a 4 over 81. So this is what we need. Let me just run you through again. There is a here, there is a B and C. So the moment you know that your coefficient at A is a 1, get the term at B, which is a negative 4 over 9. It's right here. Divide it by 2. It will give us it will give you this answer. And then you put inside the brackets, you square them. Negative will be positive, and then 2 squared will give us a 4. 9 squared will give us 81. So after getting these, you can now say x power 2, which is this term, minus 4 over 9x is equal to a 4 over a 3. So here we've just moved this 4 over 3 to the other side. It's a positive. It was negative, now it's positive. So from here, we can say x power 2 minus 4 over 9x, and then here we shall say plus 4 over 81. This one now, you add it here, is equal to 4 over a 3 plus 4 over 81. So the same thing now, you put it to the other side, and this is how it looks. So we can clean up the work here. We're getting x power 2 minus 4 over 9x plus a 4 over 81 is equal to, when we simplify here, we are simply getting a 112 over 81. So when we simplify here, we add this plus this. That's what we're getting, okay? So from here, we can now say x minus a 2 over 9 power 2. This is a perfect square. When we multiply this by itself because of the power 2, we'll get what is right here. And then we shall say equal to 112 over 81. See the way it looks? We're at this stage. So we can clean up. We clean up. And one more thing, just a quick one. If you're wondering where negative 2 over 9 is coming from, you now get what is here. Inside the bracket, see, is what you write here. And then introduce the power 2. So now we're at this stage. X minus 9, is it 2 minus 2 over a 9, and power 2 here is equal to 112 over 81. Okay, so now you square root both sides because of the power 2. So this will be positive or negative, the power 2, and the root will go, we shall remain with x minus 2 over 9 is equal to positive or negative 4 root 7 over a 9. So when you find the square root of 112, we are getting this. Square root of 81, it's a 9. Okay. So of course, from this stage, we can say x is equal to positive or negative 4 square root over 7 over a 9 plus 2 over a 9. So this will give us two solutions. The first solution, if you're following nicely, would be a 4 square root of 7 over, should I say plus, a 2, this 2 over 9, or minus 4 square root over 7 plus a 2 over a 9. So these are the two solutions. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Isichambe Jacob. And if you want to leave these answers in decimal form, the first one here will be a 1.398. This one. Then the next one here will simply be equal to negative 0.953. So these are the two solutions. Thank you and bye-bye.